Oh, hello, bubblies. I just finished washing my hair with the natural hair soap we have available at Bubbly Moon Naturals. And usually for locks, you wash your hair multiple times. I'm noticing as the years go by that I only have to wash twice if it's been a long time since I've washed my hair. And for my customers who have straight hair or wavy hair, not locked, I'm noticing that they're saying just like one really good wash. So you would just rub it in and then rinse, and you can, like what I did today was really get into my scalp. So I hope to be making more videos from the top so you can see how sudsy it is. And this is after it's been drying out for like 5 minutes. You want to make sure you put it in a dish that allows for drainage and for it to dry in between uses, and it will last you. And that's the other thing about having sustainable products that are plastic free. They last longer, especially when they come from Bubbly Moon Naturals. Illuminate naturally, everyone. Shop Bubbly Moon Naturals hair soap with charcoal, tea tree, mint, and more loving hair and scalp oils. See you soon.